So in this sessions, I introduce about what is Ray, our secure networking portfolio, and how we derive the multiple solutions with Ray products. I look forward everyone to productive discussion, how Ray and Wepsol can deliver greater value to customer. So first of all, what product we have, what we are focusing, and what product portfolio we have. I will just a little bit about that. Ray is a networking manufacturer. We are an OEM. We focus on end-to-end secure networking solution. So we offered unified platform that makes network management simple, secure, and efficient. That we can call it Ray1. So we can manage our all the products like wireless access point, SD-WAN, NGFW, HSIA from the central dashboard that we call it Ray1. So the portfolio, as I say, include with wireless products, access point, SD-WAN solutions, NGFW, HSIA, and a switching portfolio, right? So we serve in multiple industries like ISP, telco, manufacturing, BFSI retail, and channel partners. So we work with the ISP also, and we work with the MSP solution also. Our leadership journey. Ray is lead by experienced founder. So Mr. Hemal Patel, he's a co-founder and CEO of Ray Secure Innovations, and he has a very good experience in previous companies like Eliteco, Sophos, Sterlite, and Tech Mahindra. He has almost a 16 plus experience in marketing and pre-sales era. Mr. Chirayu Patel, co-founder and CTO. So he's a 13 plus year of experience in building and developing telecom products, and he's hands-on and very good in networking operating system in Linux and cloud technologies. His expertise spans reach, engineering, and customer success. Ray Secure Innovations, which called Ray PT Limited, start in Singapore in 2019, and we have almost completed 6+ years. In this small journey, we covered lots of customers in manufacturing, retail, and all of field. We try to cover in small span. So little bit about key communicators. Of course, Wepsol is our one of the partner, and you can communicate from them for any opportunity and for the SD-WAN and wireless requirement. But these are the people from our side. Myself, Sagar Dave, I already introduced myself. So I'm handling pre-sales for PAN India and UAE. Mr. Bhargav Dave, so is on sales side. He's handling Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Rajasthan, and Mr. Deepak Khuman. So he's handling entire Maharashtra and the North region in India. Coming to about customer reach and geo presence. So Ray has a strong customer presence across multiple sectors. I already told, including manufacturing, logistics, right? And we have a brands such as a Mahindra, Tripcon, Coromandel, right? You can see in that in retail we have very good logos like DMart, Westside, Zudio, Pantaloons, and very good solution of SD-WAN and BFSI like a Kotak, ICICI, Federal Bank, like HDB Finance, Bajaj Finance. So we have a very good logos in those years we have spent it. So our presence covers, I'll just take the marker pointer so you can. So our presence covers the India, Middle East, and Africa. Headquarter in Ahmedabad, and for North region and for Maharashtra, we have office in Mumbai. We handle Middle East from the UAE, and Africa. So we have presence in Kenya and Nigeria. So very important. Now come to the what products we have. I think it's too much to introduce about company and all things. Let's come to the interesting part. So they have three type of products. You can see here, right? So these three products you can manage from the Ray1 platform. Very simple. There is a single one platform which we can say orchestrator or controller that call the Ray1. And the three types of products we have, one is edge gateway, Wi-Fi solutions, and access point, and the switching. So our edge gateway supports L3 routing, SD-WAN, we can call it guest management, in terms we can call it HSIA, and the firewall solution. In Wi-Fi portfolio include cloud management, indoor outdoor Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6 products, Capri portal. This device is comes with the WPC and TC certificate, so it is very easy to participate in any government opportunities and make in India opportunities. And the switching, we have L2 and L3 switching with 8 port to 48 port range, and even we have a core switches with full fiber capabilities, right? So main important agenda of today. So we need to show that how SD-WAN solution works and what SD-WAN components, why nowadays SD-WAN is very important, and how we can establish our network with the SD-WAN, with the secure our network, right? So, just a little bit about physical devices before we go in deep dive. So you can understand from bottom that how solution built, what components is required in SD-WAN, right? So, gentlemen, any questions, or before I'm going to start the SD-WAN session?
So actually, we have few questions in the chat box. I will read it out. You, if possible, you can answer it.
Yeah.
So what is NGFW? A question from Sumit K.
Okay, it's a next generation firewall. So we can say firewall. Now, the latest word is NGFW. Okay.
Okay, I got a message from Sumit. Got it.
Okay. So actually, I covered all screens, so I'm not able to see the chat. Actually, I have presenter view is showing in my screen, and so you just whatever the chat comes, let me know. I will give the answer.
Sure, sir. Definitely, I will read it for you.
So let's start with the hardware portfolios of SD-WAN. So first of all, Ray Edge Gateway comes in a multiple models, right? So from Atom to File, different models, and these all models available in physical instance as well in virtual instance. So SD-WAN fits in manufacturing plant, right? In a logistics, in a multi-site offices, and it's enable centralized control, visibility, and secure branch connectivity. So in a simple way, if in a layman language we can tell where is the use case of SD-WAN. Yeah. So whatever the industries, whichever the industries are expanded in a geo level, in maximum of a branches, or they have a multi locations branch and offices, at that we can propose secure SD-WAN solutions. So it can be a manufacturing plants across the India or across the globe, logistics, right, across the region, across the country, right, across the state, right, and multi-site offices. So this all the environment we can set our SD-WAN solutions. In a simple way, Ray SD-WAN solution work with the I would say in a hub spoke topology and mesh topology. So hub would be your a central location where branches are going to be access all the data, and a branch would be the location like any manufacturing plant or a small logistic plant, right? So hub and spoke topology generally used in SD-WAN solution, right? So we have a customer like trusted customer Coromandels, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and we have a ACT Fibers, our ISP partner. We can call it ISP and MSP partner. So guys, any question in this slide or can I move ahead? Okay, I'm moving.
Okay.
Okay, so not the SD-WAN. This devices you can use as a firewall also. So previously, I just tried to cover the section of firewall also. So let's say if a customer coming with you for only a firewall requirement, again this device is also work as a firewall. So we can utilize this device as a Ray gateway, also work as a NGFW firewall solution for a branch, enterprise, education, and assembly offices. They are available in both, as I said, as physical and VM instance, right? The solution helps to secure edge and control internet access to LAN networks simply for the firewall requirement, right? Now we jump into high level SD-WAN architecture so you can understand the SD-WAN properly. So previously I have covered the this devices which I show you. We can call it edge devices. You can see my pointer, everybody. Hello.
Yeah, actually, you can able to see.
Oh, okay, great. So previously, I show that edge devices, which going to be installed in the hub and spoke location, which can act as a firewall and SD-WAN edge devices. So in this architecture, let's say we we assume that there would be a opportunity and a requirement, solution requirement for a manufacturing unit, right? So let's say in India, there would be a central location where the data center are there. Some of application which is hosted on central location, and nowadays many applications are also hosted in public cloud also, right? So we consider this as a DC hub location. These are the branch locations, right? So manufacture company manufacture plants has a branch location also, or different small shops and different offices also, right? So we can consider this as a different offices or a spoke locations, right? Now this all spoke and hub locations you can manage from the SD-WAN controller, that called the Ray SD-WAN controller. It is an orchestrator, it is a controller, it is your a monitoring central device for you. This Ray 1 controller you can deploy in cloud and on-prem based on your requirement and based on your compliances. Means based on customer compliances. Right. Now the requirement complexity is what happened. So the branch location wanted to access a secure application from the hub location which is hosted locally, as well as this branch location user wanted to also access over the secure tunnel the ERP applications, which is not exposed globally, which is not exposed on internet, but it is exposed over the internet via hub location only, right? Within that, this branch location also wanted to access internet zone. So nowadays it is not possible that every application is hosted locally or on via hub locations. So many locations like Office 365, Gmail applications, right? So these all application we need to access locally. So for this all complexity, we can create a secure SD-WAN solution. When a user from branch going to be establish a connection, it connections going from secure tunnel, we establish a secure SD-WAN tunnel to hub, where all this sensitive data will travel over the SD-WAN tunnel. Apart from that, any internet zone application access requirement, we can also give a secure local breakout from the specific branch location, right? With the firewall security, right? So Ray SD-WAN connects branch spoke site to central hub using secure SD-WAN tunnel over multiple underlay connectivity. So it supports a different underlay connectivity. I will explain the how and what is the underlay connectivity in later slide. The hub runs HASD-WAN gateway, right? So for the resilience and route across the MPLS broadband and LTE 5G connectivity, and ERP traffic break out securely from the central location, and any internet specific traffic will be break out from the branch side connectivity only. Uh, so,
Yeah,
gentlemen,
Rishi.
anyone from questions?
Yeah, we
Yes.
have two questions from Rishi Kumar. One
Yes.
is the traffic encrypted between hubs and POCs?
Yes,
Another one is
it is encrypted over the secure tunnel. It can be IPsec, it can be WireGuard, and it can be Ray overlay protocol.
another question from Rishi Kumar as well. Is the
Yes.
controller virtual or physical appliance?
Controller, we have both of option for controller. So it's a cloud based controller, which is native cloud solution. Or let's say you are buying any device from Ray. From day one, we providing the cloud controller, but you have any compliances of a government compliances of or your company compliances, we can host the controller in your premises also.
Yeah, we got a response from Rishi saying thanks.
Okay, anyone any questions? Just make it interactive. It's no worry, please. Okay, okay, great. So moving to another slide. So very important slide, and that covers all the things which I have previously shown in slide. Now we come to the entire SD-WAN stack and how it works. You can understand better, right? So Ray Secure SD-WAN block diagram, right? So Ray Secure SD-WAN runs on Ray operating system, right? So you can see here a physical hardware, a virtual hardware. So very important in any networking solution, we required hardcore devices first. So as I previously shown in my slide, that we have a physical instance and we have a virtual instance for the Ray Edge gateways, right? On this Ray Edge gateway, we have Ray OS across physical and virtual hardware. It supports multiple underlay link. So that is the layer you can understand. First layer we come to the there's underlay connectivity. So when we talking about SD-WAN, there are some technical words where we call connectivity is underlay, right? So underlay connectivity, Ray supports MPLS, 4G LTE, 5G cellular. We support lease line connectivity, VSAT, and broadband. So all type of underlay connectivity, our devices are support, right? Now once you establish your underlay connectivity, install the physical device and connect the underlay connectivity, the next picture come to establish the overlay. So we have a multiple option to create a tunnel over the uh, IPsec, over the SSL VPN, WireGuard, Ray overlay protocol, and EOGRE. So these are the protocols, these are the technologies where we can utilize to connect our tunnel from hub to spoke or a spoke to spoke. Generally, when we are talking about Ray solution, so a single OEM stack, we will use our own protocols, which Ray overlay protocol that creates the SD-WAN tunnel, secure SD-WAN tunnel. Now, once you create this SD-WAN tunnel, you can do the routing within that, and you can do the link aggregation. You can do the static route within the tunnels with connect for one to another branch, hub spoke connectivity, as well as mesh connectivity. We have also support BGP and OSPF dynamic protocols. Uh, it provides you application awareness and link SLA monitoring, right? Once you create your completed your routing requirements, static routing, and configure the BGP OSPF, you can come to the SD-WAN layer, a very important layer for the technology. So here you can configure SD-WAN rules using performance SLA, SD-WAN, create the SD-WAN zones, right? Monitor the SD-WAN members. So when creating SD-WAN rules, SLA, you can create rule like my connectivity comes with capability of jitter, packet drop, right? Any reachability issues. You can create a performance SLA with the SD-WAN tool, right? So securing overlay with intelligent routing, SD-WAN policies, and secure services enable reliable application delivery. So the last is security. So very important. We do everything, but if we don't have any security, then the SD-WAN solution is not a secure SD-WAN solution. So nowadays, people required, organizations required SD-WAN solution, but not only required secure SD-WAN solution. So this layer we can provide URL filtering, IDS, IPS, application control, DNS filtering. So everything which comes in the NGFW layer, we covered with the security layer. The last thing, orchestration. So orchestration, as I said, we can do from centrally Raven controller. So all this technology, all this layer you can handle over the Raven controller. Okay. So just moving to age gateway subscription model. So we understand that what is the SD-WAN and where is the requirement, what is the use cases, right? What type of hardware we are using there, right? What is the security it has and how connection established in that. But the thing is that to connect, to provide the solution, Ray has a different subscriptions. So we have divided subscription with the different requirement like essential, connect, and total. Ray Edge Gateway comes with the three subscription option: essential, connect, and total. Essentials basically cover cloud subscription, native cloud subscription. So this is the control subscription basically, and which supports L3 networking. Uh, if your device is a wireless capable, so let's say our Atom is a wireless capable device, then it has a wireless capability and radio resource management capabilities and WAN suite. So if anyone, we can ask that what is the use of this essential subscription and where can I apply this? So the simple answer is where you require only base routing, you require device as a CPE, not SD-WAN. You can use this subscription, right? So in simple way, if you see that any ISP come to your home, or come to your office and installing the router, at this our router also can install in similar way with this subscription. Now moving to the connect add the SD-WAN and VPN, right? So this subscription make the device enable SD-WAN capabilities, right? And the last is total. So total covers the all features which is available in essential and connect, but it has uh, network web protection, so it make it NGFW, captive portal capabilities, analytics. So you can analyze the layer 7 traffic with the total subscription. So when you apply the total subscription on this edge devices, right? This devices can be NGFW. This devices can be router. This devices can be a SD-WAN router. So based on the subscription, device will be act. Yes. Any questions or any doubt?
Yes, sir. We
Yeah.
have a question from Kubar Johar. He's
Yes.
asking, do we need additional license for security layer?
Uh, this is the total license you can apply. which cover the all security and SD-WAN capabilities. Hello.
Hope his question got answered, I guess.
Yes, yes. So any other questions? Please, gentlemen, may make it the sessions interactive.
So they're
I'm
asking,
happy to answer your questions.
Rikish Kumar is asking about the pricing.
Yes, yes, definitely. So, pricing we will share with the Wepsol. So, Wepsol can help in that in terms of based on requirement and devices. Wepsol team will share you the price. Definitely, you can share your requirement to Wepsol team. They will share you. Definitely.
Yeah, Rishi Kumar, we will be reaching out to you whenever you are free. So we will connect after the call.
Yes. Yes. Any questions?
No further questions, sir. We
Okay.
got a
So
response from Rishi.
yes, I am moving to another slide. Okay. Okay, so we have another exciting portfolio, which is access point, right? So we start with the Ray Wi-Fi 6. So Ray Wi-Fi 6 product portfolio. So R6, R6A series portfolio, right? So this offers a 2 by 2 MIMO and support 1.8 Gbps of throughput, right? So these all devices are support 1.8 Gbps of throughput. R6 AC is a indoor access point. R6 AO is outdoor access point coming with antenna to more coverage. So let's say if we talk about R6 AC, it can cover approx 90-meter area, and if we talk about R6 AO, it almost covered 120 130 meters area, right? This is R6A, generally used in a retail and a conference room requirement, which comes with the 5 port of copper and act as an access point and router both, right? This both device is a capability of you can concurrent user connect with the 70 plus user, you can connect with the R6 AC and R6A. On the another side, R6BC and BO. C means you can call selling, O means outdoor device. A simple name. And this devices comes with a massive throughput of 3.6 Gbps of aggregated throughput. And you can connect almost 100 plus users on each device. uh, Generally this device are using for the high density requirement, so where maximum people are sitting and using like videos and mix application uses, so where we are suggesting the R6 BC in indoor, and for the outdoor R6BO almost cover 150 180 meters in outdoor area. So yes, guys, any questions for the our access point portfolio?
Yes, sir. We have two questions from Sumit K. The
Yes.
one is this is PoE out as well as APS.
Which one access point you are asking, Sumit?
So it's R6A-O.
Oh, no, no. R6AO, we have a PoE in only to enable power to access point, not out. Out is not available.
Another one is he got his answer. He said thanks for that.
Okay, 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 great. Any other, any other questions?
So we have that R6A-outdoor has external antenna. That means it can be used in freezer warehouse area.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So we have many use cases in Dubai and India for like this you said freezer area and cold storage, specifically cold storage area. So there is a both of option within internal antenna and external antenna. Both devices are available. So not a specific that you must need to install the antenna for these devices. We have an option with R6AO which has an internal antenna also, and these devices are IP67 rated.
Hope your question got answered, Sumit. So he's asking one more question.
Yes.
So, but it will work in minus 25 degrees Celsius.
That I need to take a data sheet specifically for the this. But let me check how maximum I can, for the lowest degree temperature. That I will answer after the session, because I'm not ready with the data sheet. Maybe minus 40 is maximum we are supporting, but minus 130, as he's asking 130, right?
Minus
Minus 30.
25.
Minus 25. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think support. It's I don't think so we have an issue with it, because minus 40 is our benchmark. We will support it. Yes.
Does that answer your question, Sumit? Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Uh,
Great, Sumit. You asking the question and make this session interactive.
And
I'm
also we have
expecting everyone to.
Rikesh Kumar have one more question.
Yes, Nitish,
So
please try to answer.
IP68 for outdoor, WAP or not?
IP67 for the access point. For the router, I will back to the slide so I can explain you. We have this Atom device, which has two models available in special requirement. For the IP67, we can manufacture if you have a special requirement, and we have an option of enclosure of IP67 for the Atom.
His question got answered. So we can go forward.
Okay, thank you. So we are also introducing the upcoming products Wi-Fi 7. So in the similar line, with a similar name, like just changing with R6 AC Wi-Fi 7, R6 AO Wi-Fi 7. So this is generally used for a high throughput and high density, and this access points start with the tri-band radios. So if I told that it's come aggregated throughput of both of devices indoor and outdoor, it's a 9 Gbps of aggregated throughput devices, and each radio has 2 by 2 MIMO. Uh, Talking about the port, coming with built-in 2.5 GPOE port, and for the high throughputs, it has a 10G SFP plus port. Ultra high performance. So we are going to be introduce Wi-Fi 7 4 by 4, R6 BC and R6 BO. It's a very high ultra performance devices, and it's costly devices. Comes with the tri-band Wi-Fi 7, up to 12 Gbps of aggregated throughput in both of devices capability, and come with the 4 by 4 MIMO for the each radio. Uh, Coming to the port, it has 10G PoE port, and 10G SFP plus port. Means 10G PoE means here we are talking about copper port. So each device has a one 10G copper port and one 10G fiber SFP plus port. Right? Uh, yes.
So we have two more questions from Sumit.
Yes. Please.
So first one would be, do you have any directional AP?
We have a omnidirectional APs. For the directional, we can use outdoor access point with directional antennas.
The another question is, it's inbuilt IoT like Zigbee or BLE, etc.
Wi-Fi 7 will come with the inbuilt IoT capabilities with Zigbee. The Wi-Fi 6 devices doesn't have a capability of a built-in Zigbee.
Hope you got a clear answer from Savar. Got it. Great.
Great. Okay. So we have also Wi-Fi 6 value-driven access points also. So previously, whatever the access point we have seen, these are the like enterprise-grade products, right? But it is not necessary that every customer, required the high density and enterprise-grade access point. So we have also a product range of value-driven access point, and Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 offer the strong performance at competitive price, right? So Wi-Fi 6 model support indoor and outdoor both options are available, which we can call it Vega, Cygnus, and for the outdoor Canopus and Capella. And ongoing, they provided 3 Gbps of aggregated throughput in 2 by 2 MIMO, and for 4 by 4 outdoor and indoor, it supports up to 5 Gbps of throughput, right? On the other end, Wi-Fi 7, we have a one device, value added devices, where we can put in a competitive pricing, which called Vega Wi-Fi 7, which come with a 2 by 2 radio, and it has again 3.6 Gbps of throughput, and coming with the 2.5 GPOE port and 1G LAN port. It is for indoor use only. Yes. Anyone's questions or anyone any query?
Yes, a question from Sumit K.
Yes.
Inbuilt with captive, portable with AP light range.
Yes. So if we talk about Vega Wi-Fi 7, yes. When you talk about Wi-Fi 6, no.
This question got answered, sir. We can move on.
Okay. Okay. Great. So again, subscription. So as we have subscription for the our Edge gateway, we have the subscription for the our Wi-Fi also. So essential and protect, we have only two subscription. When we talk about a plain vanilla based requirement for the access point, you can go with the essential, right? But Ray is known for his security, so we provide protect subscription, which cover the base web protection and captive portal, built-in captive portal capabilities. So when a very good question from Sumit, that which access point supports the captive portal. So previously, all the access point in enterprise grade, which is R6A series in Wi-Fi 6, uh, R6B series, and in Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 both. These are the enterprise access points which support the built-in captive portal capabilities, right? And they also support the network and web protections. Apart from that, in value driven access point, Wi-Fi 7 Vega is only support the captive portal, right? These are the differences. Both are offered 1, 3, and 5 years options, right? So many people ask, what is the requirement of web protection or internet protection at access point level? But let's say you have a already established network in your organization, right? Now what happened, firewall is already installed and there is a massive investment in your organization, in your company, right? Now some people are another people are onboarding and they are sitting and they are accessing over the wireless access point, right? So you can provide the security at your wireless access point rather than increasing firewall or buying new firewall. You can add access point and restrict it, their web, and provide web protection at that access point level. So very granular base, you can provide the protection. You can provide the firewall based basic protection with the access point device.
So one question from Karthik Pandi.
Yes, Karthik. Yes, please.
So data rate means usage data.
No, no. Data rate means here we can. I think you talk about this. Uh, uh, Is this the word data rate? So here when we talk about data rate means throughput over the wireless radio, right? Don't consider about a pricing rate or a volume, right? Here we talk about the throughput. So if I say up to 1800 mbps data rate means it is a 1.8 gbps of throughput for the both of radio, aggregated throughput for the 2 by 2 both of radio. So 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, two radio comes in this access point. When we get together utilize this, we can get maximum 1.8 gbps of throughput, which calls in a wireless language data rate. Okay, so Ray HSIA captive portal. So again we have another product. So previously we talked that we have a built-in captive portal, but we have a dedicated HSIA captive portal products. So the same gateway which I show you in the previous starting slides, this gateway can you can utilize as a HSIA gateway. This captive portal enables secure speed internet access to the guest and public users. So generally is use case in ideally for a hotel, public Wi-Fi events, summits, education campus, hospitalities, like, and we can provide them a different authentication method. Like you can see a click to login, voucher based, SMS based. I think you from many of people visited hotels and you aware about that how they provide you the internet. So that can be a OTP based internet, that can be an email OTP. You can manage the bandwidth, right? Hotel and hospitality sector has a PMS, so we can integrate the PMS with this our product, right? And the user management. So it's a completely dedicated HSIA product, generally called as a high-speed internet access. In India, we are calling it a captive portal-based solution, and the use case used for maximum in hospitality sectors, right? So this product we have also, and we can do business with this also. Uh, the last portfolio, uh, the race switches. So as I told previously that we have a range of switches products available from 8 port to full fiber 24 port switches. So race switch supports on web console, PoE, non PoE, and L3 high speed switches. So you will get the 24 port of 10G SFP and 2 and 6 port options for the 100G and 40G access. On the similar side, we have a L2 plus models also, which comes in a 8, 16 and 24 port option with PoE and non-PoE, both of that. Yes, any questions for the switching or HSIA?
So
Uh,
there's one question from Karthik Pandi. So
yes,
previously we were answering about data rate, right? The
yeah,
same
yeah.
part. It he was asking about it's based on IPS or user based.
uh, Data rate is based on so let's explain you. If you first of all you need to understand the bandwidth to understand the data rate in terms of wireless. So let's say in my office there is a 20 people are sitting, example, right? These 20 people are connected to my access point. Now these 20 people are generating bandwidth to access internet or any LAN activity. That is the bandwidth which is generated and handled by the access point. And 1.8 Gbps, which is I mentioned, it is a maximum bandwidth capability of this specific access point with both of their radio. I think it's clear, right?
Yeah, he got it. So another
Okay.
question from Sumit.
Yes.
How was the integration of your gateway of HSIA guest management with Ubiquiti or Ruji APIs?
See, we have a individual HSIA model, and now we have already launched the built-in operating system with the captive portal requirement. So, if any access point you have, uh, you can integrate with the captive portal and integrate with their different authentication of SMP, SMS OTP, email OTP, and bandwidth management. So that is a specific some requirement that we can share you if you have any opportunity. We can talk, make a session with the pre-sales and discuss for the integration. It will more technical session.
It's done. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for joining.